Hey, welcome back to my channel, Chilling with H. If you're new, thanks for checking it out, and please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is a quick and easy recipe. Yes, it's my mom's Bhaji or taro leaves or Dasheen bush as we call it here in Trinidad, and she's cooked it in coconut milk, which is quite a common way to cook this dish. So I just want to remind you guys to make sure that you source soft or young leaves as we call it so that they cook easily. The hard leaves don't cook properly, but it's used to make a delicious delicacy called sahina, roll up sahina, or you can make cut up sahina. If you want a video on that recipe, drop me a comment down below and tell me which one you want to see. So my mom, she's cooking today and she is prepping everything. So I'm doing all the filming. The taro leaves or bhaji leaves are cleaned like she's doing here and then stacked and rolled together to make cutting easier. Peel the skin off the stems and cut in about 2-inch pieces. Heat a pot and add the oil. Add in the puran, that is the aromatics of onion, garlic, and pepper. Puran is a word our ancestors used when they came from India. When it turns golden brown, add in the bhaji. Be careful of the splatters with the drops of water and hot oil. Now the pot looks full, but the bhaji is going to simmer down and reduce, like when you're cooking any green leafy vegetable. Stir, add the salt, stir again, and cover and cook on medium heat. When it's melted down, add the coconut milk and let it cook a few more minutes. You would have noticed I listed lime juice in the ingredients, but that is for persons who have allergies with the taro leaves or bhaji. Sometimes some people's tongue tends to itch. Sometimes when you're cleaning the leaves as well, your hands may begin to itch. So to prevent this, cut a lime or lemon in half and squeeze the juice all over your hands. Mom did not use lime or lemon juice in this recipe. Use a masher and mash to get a smooth consistency. Cover and cook until most of the liquid is absorbed. Mash again if necessary. Turn off the heat and serve with rice, dal, or any type of roti or chapati. You can even have this in a bread sandwich. It's so good, it goes with anything. For variations, you can add peas, paneer, or for meat eaters, you can even add salted cod or even pieces of meat. But I'm vegetarian, so this is the vegetarian version. I'm sunning it with my hands and I'm having it with just rice and some sliced cucumbers. I'm sure you've been wondering why I keep sunning and eating with my hands. Well, funny enough, in our Indian culture, eating with our hands actually helps with stimulating our digestive system. That's one of the reasons I like to sani my food. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.